Alright guys, we're going to be drawing a super cute cheetah cub today. Honestly, that's kind of a tongue twister. Cute cheetah cub. Cute cheetah cub. But anyways, we're going to draw this upside down U shape. Upside down U shape. And we're going to make it pretty big. Our cheetah cub's going to have really big eyes because it's going to be really, really cute. And everybody knows the bigger the eyes, the cuter the drawing. So I'm going to make the top of the eyes a little bit thicker than the rest of the eye. This is a stylistic choice. It's something I personally like to do. You don't have to do this part. Then we're going to draw circles inside of the eyes. This is going to be the pupil. So we're going to draw the circle inside of the eye for the pupil. Then we're going to add some detail to the inside of the pupil to make it extra, extra cute. So we're going to draw a circle on the inside, a circle on the inside, and then we're going to draw this bean shape on the bottom. This bean shape. It's going to be really cute. So once we've done that, the last thing we need to do to complete the eyes is we're going to color in the pupil. We're going to leave that bean shape we drew and that smaller circle white, and we're just going to color in the remaining part. Yeah, we're just going to color in that remaining part. And honestly, the eyes are the hardest part of the whole drawing, so once we have that done, everything else is going to be 10 times easier. So now we're going to add the eyebrows. Just a curved line for each eye. And then we're going to move on to his little nose. His little nose. He's got a cute, tiny little nose in between his eyes. And then we're going to draw his little mouth. He has a teeny, tiny little mouth. He's so adorable. And then we're going to add this curved line above his nose for his snout. And then his mouth and his nose are complete. We're going to move on to his ears. So we're going to draw two semicircles. Two semicircles. So our baby cheetah cub is going to have curved ears. Round ears. Kind of like a bear. Kind of like a bear, but bigger. Then we're going to draw a semicircle on the inside of each ear. We're going to draw a semicircle on the inside of each ear. And then we're going to add some zigzags to the top of the head to make our cheetah cub extra fluffy and extra cute. All right, our cheetah cub's looking cute. Let's go ahead and draw the side of the head. So we're gonna draw some more zigzags just to show how fluffy our cheetah cub is, just to emphasize that. And we're gonna stop below the mouth. We're gonna stop below the mouth. And we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. So we have a zigzag, and then it's gonna curve around. There we go. Now that we're done with his head, we're gonna move on to his body. Now, he's gonna have a really big head because he's really, really cute. So his body is gonna be very small. So we're gonna draw some zigzags and then a curved line for his chest. So some zigzags and then a curved line for his chest. We're gonna draw a straight line that slightly curves on the bottom and comes back up. So it's straight, it curves for the paw and then comes right back up. Then we're gonna add two curved lines for his toes. And we have one leg done. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we have a straight line that curves and then another straight line for the second foot. Then we're gonna draw the little toes. All right, the front paws are done. Now we just need to do the hind paws. So I'm gonna add this line for the tummy. Then we're gonna do a curved line. Comes around, then we're gonna stop there. All right, we're gonna finish up that line. We're gonna draw a curved line, comes around and connects. So curved line that comes around and connects. Then we're gonna draw those toes again, and we have one more leg to draw. One more leg. So we're gonna draw a straight line that curves, comes up, curves around, and then connects to the body. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and add those toes. And now all we have left to draw is the back and the tail. Let's go ahead and draw the back. Straight line, and then a curved line, and then we're not gonna connect it. We're gonna leave a little bit of room for the tail. Let's go ahead and draw that tail. We're gonna draw a straight line that curves up and then down, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side and connect it. And there we have it. There's our baby cheetah. So I gave my baby cheetah black ears and then black spots, and then I gave him like a yellowy orange body. Isn't he so cute? This drawing was fun, guys. I hope you had a good time doing this.